Hello, good morning for me, good afternoon for you. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create or connect multiple levels in your game. First off, log in. I only have one level, so I'm going to connect my one level to just the generic MakeQuest game, but the concept is the same. So let me go into Code Game and grab the link that I have already created for my game, my URL. And there's my game. And I'm going to remix it. And if I go back, to this topic, Code Game, you'll see there's a page that discusses optional, create a multi-level game. So if I read through this, it's going to tell you the same thing that I'm going to show you. I need this line of code. Now let me read the code real quick because sometimes there are specific areas that you have to put the code. Add the following code to your game to create another level on the win text at the very end of function setup level. Okay. So add it at the very end of function setup level. Make sure you insert the second level URL where it states insert second level URL here. Okay, so they're talking about this section. This makes sense. So I have my level here. Again, I don't have a second level yet. I really should create it. So I'm just going to create or connect it to Sandbox. Again, the concept is the same. So let me publish this so that I can get a URL that'll look close to yours, similar to yours. So this will be my URL. Okay, so let's say this is my level 1, which it is. This is my level 2. I'm going to copy and paste this code, which I got from Carnegie Learning, at the very end of function setup level. So I'm going to go to the very end of this. There might be another function, so I'm going to do it at the end of function setup level and before, here we go, function draw level. So I'm going to paste the code here. And then I need to change this to the second level's URL. So I'm going to go back to my hypothetical second level, Control C copy, Control V paste. If I run it, okay, my game still looks okay. Now let's give it a try. So when I connect it, I should know win my game, and it should automatically take me to the next level. But first I need to beat my game. There we go. I need the Jeopardy music right here. No! I missed it! Why did I make this so hard? There we go. No. Okay. There we go. Let's try this again. There we go. Almost to the end. Oh, that scared me. I didn't think I made it. Don't touch the seagull. It'll send you back to start. And I'm to the end. Why did it not connect? Maybe I have to publish it again. Okay, let's try this. So if I publish my new game that has the code in it, and I play it like a normal person, I mean, I am a normal person, but if I play it as if it's not my game, Oh, I hit my little guy. I can also show you in another video how to create those like enemy platforms where if I hit my, darn it, if I hit this person, then they send me back to start. If I hit that person or if I hit the seagull. Gosh darn it. I'm never going to pass this level. There we go. Oh my gosh. I made this game too hard. There we go. There we go. Wait for the seagull. I really don't want to go back to start. Why has it not worked? Alright, take a look at my code. If the player clicks on the game scene after having reached the goal, take them to the URL you put in the quotation marks. Notice the goal reached is not a variable that's visible in Code Editor, but works behind the scenes. If goal reached, window open, take me here. The code looks sound. Why? I didn't miss anything when copying. This lesson is optional, but why not make your game into something replayable with multiple levels? The code below is provided to create a multi-level game, specifically on the win text. Click here to play Go Does Gotta Eat to view an example of a multi-level game. Follow the same steps to create a third or even a fourth level. Make sure the level is complete first before making it. Click Remix to create a second level and publish the game. Save the second level game URL. View an example of a second level game here. Add the following code to your game to create another level on the win text at the very end of function setup level. Make sure you insert the second level URL where it states insert second level. I did. So what's the problem? That's function draw level. I don't want function draw. Why is it there? Oh! I wonder if I put this in. That's why it's... Okay. See, the first time I made this game, apparently I put the code in there at the end of function draw level, which is probably conflicting with my current code, which is in the right spot, under function setup level here. Now if I run it, oh my gosh, I have to defeat this again. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Okay. Goal, start. Let's mess with my code. Goal position. No, that's goal position. Where's my player position? I'd like to put him to the end, seeing as I really don't want to make it through again. Okay, so X is 40, which is here. Y is 100, which is down here. I want him to start at X will be 500. Keep in mind, I'm just doing this because I don't want to keep trying to push it through. Let's do 40. 500, sorry. 500 is X. Yeah, I can do 60 on Y. Okay, now I run it. Hey! Should have worked. What if I go a little lower? 40. He should drop down onto that platform. There we go. Small cheat. Oh, but I have to play the game. Gosh darn it. After I publish it. Okay, publish again. I get a new URL. Okay. He starts at the very end. Yay for me. It is still not going to my second level. I do not understand. This is my URL for number 2. Let me double check the code I put in. See, and this is part of game design too. It's constantly going back and forth, redoing or fixing your mistakes actually. Paste, it's the same one. I have no more issues in function draw level. My code is gone from there. It's at the very end. Oh, you know what? I wonder. Actually, let's take the whole thing. I know at the end of most code, you have this bracket, right? Closing bracket. I wonder if I'm supposed to put this before the closing bracket in order for it to be within function setup level. Okay, I think I'm right. So I'm going to save one more time. Keep my fingers crossed. Publish for a new URL. Beat the game. There we go. Got it. Okay, so couple important points to go over. Make sure in your code you do put the new code that Carnegie Learning gives you here on this page where it says optional create a multi-level game. Copy and paste this entire code. You're going to put it in your code at the very end of function setup level. But if you look at function setup level, there's an open bracket which opens for the code. And then after every open bracket, in order for code to work properly, there's a close bracket. So make sure, I didn't do this right the first time, make sure you put this new code to connect your levels in before the closing bracket. Then it will work, especially once you put your second level, third level, fourth level URL in the proper spot. Click run, save the game, and now it connects it and opens up my second level once I defeat the first level. Hopefully this helps you guys. If not, feel free to raise your hand, call me over, and I can show you the steps again. No big deal. Thanks for watching. Bye.